Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our wiper blades. To replace the wiper blades, the process will be the same for either side of the vehicle. With that said, looking at this wiper blade, I can see it has a locking tab. I'll lift that up. Now I'm going to lift up on this arm. Being very careful, I'm going to make sure that I'm holding the arm because it is under spring retention and I don't want it to slap down against the windshield and potentially break it. Underneath this area, there's a tab that I can squeeze with my index finger. I'm going to squeeze that towards the arm and then I'm going to grab the blade and try to pull it towards me to unlock it. There we are. Looking at the arm, you can see why I had to pull it towards me. It has a hook. Now I'll carefully rest this against the windshield. There it is, friends. Okay, friends, let's get ready to install our brand new 18-inch wiper blade. For this, I'm going to take off the protective layer. We'll set that aside. Now we can take this and we're going to put it on the arm. Once again, I'm making sure that I'm holding onto the arm. It has spring retention, forcing it towards the windshield. I'll slide the wiper blade up against it, and then I'm going to lock it into position by pushing it away from me. Now I'm going to give the wiper blade a tug towards me. I want to make sure it's locked in, so while I'm driving down the road in the rain, it doesn't come flying off. Do the same to the other side of the vehicle. Thanks for watching.